So guys, hi guys, welcome back to another plantain farm vlog of mine. As I take you guys along to today's farm, as you can see right here, I'm walking to the farm. So that's basically what this vlog is all about. And if you are in need of plantain, need a supplier, you can comment on the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you, to supply you plantain anywhere you are. Okay, with that being said, please guys, don't wait to watch to the end. Drop your comments, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are coming across my channel for the first time. Okay, with that being said, let me leave you guys to watch the video. So guys, as you guys can see, this farm is looking very dry. I don't know what is happening because of lack of rain. So one thing about plantain is that plantain requires a lot of rainfall. So without rain, it looks this way. It looks dry. It look like it's suffering. Can you see that? We are here today. There's some up here. You can see. Also some in the front. Are you seeing this? Is basically what the farm is looking like. 360. See? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to today's vlog. As you can see, I'm in the farm here again. Today we are here to harvest some plantains, and I said let me take you guys along. So I'm here with my dad's siblings. We're harvesting plantain, but the farm is looking so dry. I mean, it's so dry. It needs a lot of rainfall. It requires some water, and there's no much water on it, and we can't pour it water, filter it, because this farm is very far away from our home. Okay, so with that being said, let me quickly show you guys around, and hopefully I hope the rainfall falls soon so that we'll be able to get more, and it should be looking more healthier than this. Okay, so with that being said guys, let's get to the video. Half. Be blessed be for me.
Like, oh, okay. You be sad for me video. Stop.
No, let me carry this one so that you go. The video will show you.
Where? One is in a block my video.
So you pack your own so that you go come.
I feel 100 since.
I'm not married for 6 years.
Let's cook for those. I swear. Excuse me, one dad.
The scoop.
Nah, cousin. No, you want can time for everything, I beg. So guys, this is all we're able to get. We are about to put it in now. So guys, we have watched up till now. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. So notification bell to notify whenever I upload a new video. Okay, I have to end this vlog here right now because my storage issue has started again. So see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. And this is all the plantain we have. So we are done today. So we are about to go home. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are in need of plantain, comment. I'm going to supply for you. Okay.